right, guys, we got a different Wednesday craft video this time. Sarah and I are going head to head. We're gonna spin this wheel and see who makes the best tumbler.
Oh. Hey! Yeah! To the final ball! You got this?
No, I don't like it.
Oh.
All right, I'm ready.
All right, I think I am too.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Are you going to wind up covering your whole tumbler, or are you leaving any parts of it white?
I haven't thought that far yet.
I went out there and got a whole nother piece of vinyl, but I didn't even pick the first one. Ah!
Hello?
Scam likely?
I did. Oh my dear. It's a dirt.
Thank you. I didn't want to take yours.
I really appreciated that you were about to use that jagged old box cutter.
It's what happens to all my, whenever I do my cuts, I'm like, well, this could have been better. We don't know where any of our trimmers are, do we, still?
I think that I might know where one is in here, like right outside that door. That is it.
Ah,
That's exactly it.
okay.
Aha!
I was like,
Remember when I made my prison shank version, Chris? I learned that from Sarah.
I learned that from not having any supplies, because that did not exist. Favorite, do you have the UV light?
I do not have a UV light. Chris has one. The next episode, Chris takes the winner.
Chris takes the winner?
Chris takes the winner next episode.
snap. I'm on a roll now, you know.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, ah. Chris been sandbagging over there.
I thought he was about to tell me he's done. He can come out with some kind of weird bird's nest and try to adhere it to the tumbler. Don't want to later cure that right inside the jar. I blew all the glitter on his chair by accident.
He's gonna be like, you did that on purpose.
Honestly, he's not gonna notice. Actually, now that I look at it, he's gonna notice it when he watches the video.
Notice what? Oh yeah, that's true.
Just kidding. Just kidding, sir. He's gonna come back, my cup's gonna be done.
No, he's looking for something.
Him and his bird nest are gonna be lonely.
Pinstriping.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to layer epoxy and stuff in between all these steps, but
I don't think if there's not glitter involved.
that's how I feel. I'm just gonna do all my steps. I'm even putting my decal on after this, and then we're gonna epoxy.
If I don't have to seal it in between, I don't.
No, I thought I would be able to pinstripe this better.
What about those curves made you feel good about that?
I thought that I could work the curves. Right now, the pinstriping just ends at the bottom. Just ends.
I mean, we don't have the good markers, but we might have something that you like.
Where we got markers, you said?
Well, one, I didn't say we had markers. I said you might want to take a look in that closet, see what we got.
New idea.
Pivot!
Bada bing, bada boom.
We didn't put foil on the wheel.
Yeah, we didn't, but I'm putting foil on my tumbler.
You got foil glue?
While you've been over there just hand cranking your wheel, I'm living in 3024. Thank you very much.
I thought it was peaceful. Jason's gone 2034. Is that what you said you are?
3024.
What'd I say?
2034, you're 10 years in the future.
How's that?
Farther the better.
In my future, there's ice cream drips in space.
Yeah, your future, I picture it like that episode of SpongeBob where Squidward's on the ground going, future! But I pick, you are Squidward in that envision. Future!
Wrapping my tumbler.
What'd he do? Did he just hurt himself?
Well, this chair sinks slowly. My elbow is normally above table height. It's now below and I didn't realize. So when I reached for the squeegee, I elbowed the thing. My chairs don't make me feel very good about myself because they all sink slowly and I'm starting to think it's not the chair. Come on, cool effect. Yeah, it's cool, but I also hate it.
You also do hate it?
Yeah, I hate it. I'm just being honest with you. I'm gonna do something fun. Lame one, Chris.
Jason and the Dramatics.
No, see, Chris agrees, he hates it.
I don't think that I heard him say he hates it. I don't think I've ever heard. I don't know, Chris. I've ever heard Chris say that hate word.
All right, the foil didn't work. Let's put alcohol ink on it.
Throw everything but the kitchen sink, I guess.
Say.
I'm not a tumbler maker, Sarah. Trial and error is how I work. What are you doing?
Finishing up my tumbler.
Where'd you get those?
I just cooked them right next to you.
It is pretty. It'd be really nice if I could make it go around bends. Does it have a gold one?
I don't think so.
I'll be so upset if it does.
That would be so funny.
This one's no good either.
To the office! You know, since Jason's not in here, I'll take this time to give my literal shameless plug to Nicole Sutherland of Blame Nicole. Thank you for this cup design, by the way. Because when Jason comes in, I'm definitely gonna tell him it's a, you know, it's just thought of it on the fly. When in reality, I already had an idea. But I didn't have the idea until literally right before I started.
It's not the markers. That's what I thought.
It's the cup.
Yeah, it's the glue. It's just until I put like a coat of some sort of epoxy on this, I'm gonna just be spinning my wheels trying to use markers. Is that how you were pouring it?
Yeah, I stopped having time for that spout. Honestly, about 5 days ago, was it last Friday? I started taking the top off. Because it always looks straight until it's done and you're like, oh, that's where that bent. I don't think there's enough resin in here to cover this whole thing. Do it live and figure it out.
I'm just watching my tumbler spin and hating it. I'm trying to figure out why I hate it. I don't think I can figure it out.
I think that you hate it because it's not a power wash tumbler. Take it off. Go power wash it. You know what I mean? That looks cool.
Yeah, I still hate it.
Well, I'm done. Not too shabby. I finished all my work. Can I go out and play now?
Yeah, it's gonna be you versus Chris next time anyway.
I'll stick this in front of you in case you want to look at it while you cure your cup.
Yeah, I need some inspiration on how a tumbler finishes. I'm gonna make myself like this tumbler. I'm gonna just keep grabbing things out of the dream box to hit this thing with.
That thing.
He said this was empty. Does this look empty? Guess who doesn't scrape the peanut butter jar? Stay weird. I feel better about it. I still am not in love with it, but it was thrown together. All right, we're done, right? Done-ish. I think good enough to present. I mean, I had to take vinyl and then do vinyl, power wash, technically a little bit of alcohol ink with the marker, foils, because I'm a lunatic.
I'm glad that you said it and I didn't have to. This was fun.
I'm pleased.
I'm so happy. I think these came out so cool. If you guys enjoyed this, why don't you throw down some options for the spinning wheel in the comments? Give us some ideas to put on the wheel for next time. And one of these days, I'm gonna talk to the right camera. Hello. And then we'll get guests. Maybe we'll get some new guests. Maybe Jason will face off against somebody else, or maybe I will, who knows?
Sounds like it'll be me.
I'm busy. I'm always busy. I'm so busy.
Like, subscribe, all that stuff.
Tell us who won.